Welcome to World Freight Integral, your go-to logistics and supply chain management partner. We go beyond typical logistics. When it comes to global trade, we ensure smooth flow and effortless connectivity of businesses across the globe. At WF Integral, we believe in building trust and exceeding expectations. Our core values guide everything we do: integrity, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Wasim Ali Khan, the founder of WF Integral, had a clear vision to become the ultimate problem-solving partner for customers.
मैंने ये कोशिश की, जो मैंने सीखा, मैं कस्टमर्स के लिए प्रोडक्ट बनाऊं, कस्टमर ड्रिवन, जो उनकी पेन पॉइंट्स है ना, उनके ऊपर प्रोडक्ट बनाऊं सप्लाई चेन की। मुझे कोई कस्टमर बताता था कि मैं ये पेन पॉइंट है मेरे, इसका मुझे सलूशन नहीं मिलता, तो मैंने उसके मुताबिक ही चीज़ों को डिज़ाइन किया और उनके लिए प्रोडक्ट बनाई।
His commitment to that vision has guided the company's journey. We've built an extensive global network, connecting us across continents for a reliable supply chain. When you partner with WF Integral, you're backed by a team with a track record of reliability. Our certifications and awards are a reflection of the trust our customers place in us, ensuring you have a dependable logistics partner by your side.
लोगों को दुनिया में बाहर जाके इंटरेक्शन करने में बड़ी घबराहट होती है, मिलना जुलना। मैं अब पिछले कई साल हो गए हैं, मुझे कभी कोई ये इशू नहीं आया। मुझे 90s अर्ली से ही ट्रैवलिंग के मौके मिलते रहे। तो फार अब तक मैं प्लस 60 कंट्रीज़ को विज़िट कर चुका हूँ और 2 लोकेशंस में रहा चली। जो मुझे खुद मेरे दिमाग में आती थी बात, वो गलत या सही, आई ट्राई टू डू दैट वन, और मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मैंने वो अचीव किया।
We devise smart multi-modal transportation solutions for demanding logistics challenges. You can trust our air freight services to swiftly transport your shipments, ensuring your business operations remain smooth and efficient. We also specialize in connecting your cargo across seas, delivering dependable and secure solutions. Our road freight services keep your supply chain moving seamlessly. We efficiently transport your shipments also by rail, ensuring timely and reliable deliveries. We ensure efficient transportation of your cargo all across the globe.
हम मोस्टली DDP, DDU, डोर टू डोर सर्विस और कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हमने की हुई है फैसिलिटेट करने के लिए। हॉलैंड में आइडेंटिटी है, तो हम लोगों को डोर डिलीवरीज देते हैं अपने नाम से इंपोर्ट करके शिपमेंटों को, और इंटरनेशनल उन कस्टमर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट जिनकी वहाँ पे अपनी कोई आइडेंटिफिकेशन नहीं है, तो हम उनकी शिपमेंट अपने नाम से इंपोर्ट करके वी डिलीवर टू देयर अल्टीमेट बायर। हमारा बायर कहीं बैठा है, उसका कस्टमर कहीं बैठा है, तो हम इस तरह चीज़ों को कॉन्फिडेंशियल भी रखते हैं और उनको ये वो सर्विस देते हैं जो नॉर्मली पाकिस्तान में बैठे किसी भी फॉरवर्डर ने प्रॉब्लम नहीं दी होगी।
And I think this is something which helps us to get on board clients and associates and businesses for long run. तो और सबसे बड़ी important बात है कि हम जब clients के साथ चलते हैं या associates के साथ चलते हैं, it is not about short term, it's about long term, it's about long term relationships, और long term relationships बनने में time लगता है, और यही हमारी belief है।
Navigating customs is hassle-free with our expert team. We make the process smooth, so your shipments clear customs without delays. Secure storage is essential for your goods. Our warehouses are equipped with advanced technology, providing a safe and reliable storage solution for your cargo. Building relationships with our clients is our core philosophy. We believe our success lies in the success of our clients.
They are responsible for our custom clearance and also for freight forwarding. On monthly basis, there are 150 plus shipments, both from sea and from air shipment, which they are handling.
Being a manufacturer, we face so many shipping issues, and I really appreciate all of his efforts. He has been made for fast apparel. especially in last 3 years. Last 3 years before actually, we had started business on the landed duty paid tons, and Wasim was my key of success for this business.
There have been one recent shipment where there was a delay, not because of WF Integral, but because of the airline. And I have to say that WF Integral managed very quickly. They changed the booking from booking to the different airline. Actually, in fact, they changed the airport and they managed it without any extra charges. And shipment arrived to Lahore airport on that time. And it did not affect our production. That was really good.
Either it's the DTP shipment or it's the FOB shipments or other shipments, जो भी है, क्योंकि मुझे एक सबसे जो मुश्किल जो डिफ़िकल्ट प्रोसेस लग रहा था वो इतना स्मूथली उनके थ्रू हुआ कि वो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल जो है ना वो काफ़ी बढ़ गया. तो डेफिनेटली आई विल रिकमेंड कि वो इनके साथ इनके थ्रू काम करें.
All my heartfelt wishes to you. I really enjoyed your company, the whole team, everything when I was in Pakistan. And these 2.5 years was an amazing trip for all of us.
We have been working with WF Integral for over 3 years. Their rich logistics knowledge, they can always find the best option to satisfy customers' shipping needs.
We are quite happy with their service and commitment. So this is very professional people.
We are extremely pleased with them. For the past 2 years, they have been delivering impeccable service, the highest confidence and regards for WF Integral and its owner and CEO, Mr. Wasim Khan.
हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि हमारे कस्टमर्स के पास एक्सेस हो टू व्हाट दे आर डूइंग विद अस. तो वो बुकिंग्स वायर करना चाहते हैं, दे कैन डू डायरेक्टली विद. अगर वो अपनी बुक्स चेक करना चाहते हैं फॉर व्हाट ट्रांजैक्शंस कर रहे हैं या शिपमेंट्स जा रही हैं, दिस इज समथिंग विच दे कैन डू डायरेक्टली ऑन आवर पोर्टल. सो दैट्स समथिंग विच वी वांट टू मूव अवे.
You can trust our team of experts to handle your shipments with care. From packaging and labeling to shipping and delivery, our team is dedicated to ensuring your items arrive safely and on time. We're not just local, we're global. We are a multinational corporation with joint ventures in 3 different countries. We've also served over 150 clients worldwide. World Freight Integral, your go-to supply chain management company.